I'm honored to meet you.
I'm very pleased to.
I want to ask about the Amazon. More than 20% of the Earth's oxygen is produced in the Amazon rainforest, but there are not many of them left because Amazon jungle is continuously developing. Do you think it is okay to let the Amazon in this situation of developing?
Well, let me see if I understood your question. The Amazon region is almost half of the Brazilian size. The Amazon region in Brazil, because the Amazon rainforest is also shared by other 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 countries. Besides, so 8 countries share the Amazon rainforest. And one thing that people don't know when they speak of the Amazon region, the Amazon rainforest in Brazil, is that in the Amazon rainforest, in the Brazilian part of the Amazon rainforest, live 25 million inhabitants. That's half of the population of Korea. So people always think of the Indians that live in the Amazon jungle. But besides these 700,000 Indians that live as they used to live 20,000 years ago, there are 25 million people that live like us. And so they need food, they need to drive their cars, they need to live, they need to live the life that we live here in Korea or in the rest of Brazil. So in this population of 208 million inhabitants, more than 10%, 25 million, live in cities located in the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is also, as you know, crossed by the most powerful river on earth, which is the Amazon River. The Amazon River, in some points, it is 120, 125 meters depth. So the depth, the river is 125 meters deep, and in other places, the Amazon River is 40 kilometers broad. 40 kilometers is almost the distance between Seoul and Incheon. This is the size of the Amazon River. So it's a very difficult environment, and of course we have to meet the needs of these 25 million people that live there. I don't know if I replied to your question. Yes.
So you think the Amazon it has to develop or to save?
No, we have to preserve the Amazon forest because the Amazon rainforest is full of treasures because of that biodiversity. So there are many plants that we don't know what they are for, but maybe one day the science will find out. And these plants maybe are the solution for many diseases. So it's obvious that the Amazon jungle, the Amazon rainforest, is much more valuable if there is no Amazon rainforest. So we have to preserve it, and the government is very, very committed to do it. But of course, there are many difficulties because the Brazilian Amazon rainforest has more than 4 million square kilometers. That's say it's 40 times the size of South Korea.
Yes. In my opinion, I think a preserved rainforest is a higher value than a dust-free rainforest too. How did you work hard to get good relationship with Korea?
Well, from my side, I try to promote Brazilian exports, and I try to promote also Korean investments in Brazil, and friendship, people-to-people relations. I have a lot of work being ambassador to Korea, of course, but for instance, being here is part of my job to make you know, to let you know how Brazil is and how the relations between Brazil and Korea look like.
네, 감사합니다. 이제 다음 학생 지금 집